morning guys, Sabah al khair. عاملين ايه? I'm very good. A little bit tired, but I'm drinking my coffee, so I'm fine. Actually, I think this is I think this is one of my best moments during a whole day. Okay, so right after I wake up, I go to the bathroom and then I go and grab a coffee. I'm just sitting down and I'm getting ready for the day. I mean, breakfast is also important, but coffee is even more important. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so it's always nice to just sit down for some minutes, relax, and thinking about the things I'm going to do. Like getting ready for the things I'm going to do. Maybe I have a lot of things to do this day and I'm a little bit nervous how everything is going to be, but then it's nice to just sit down and relax for some minutes. Yeah, like this. That's something very important for me, because I can't just rush out of the house. I have to like get ready, you know. دي الفنجان بقهوة فرنساوي. لا، ده مش قهوة فرنساوي. مش متأكد مش عارف بالضبط عشان in Norway I say it in English. In the Norwegian language we call it presskanne. Also French press is something that everybody understands. This is something I really like to use when I'm making coffee. It's so much better than just instant coffee, for example. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that this video is going to be about qahwa, coffee, and actually I'm going to show you all the cups of coffee I drink today. And like a special treatment for you Arabs watching this video, I will try to find a place where I can buy equipment to make Turkish coffee. Yeah, so I will buy this, bring it back to my house, and I will make قهوة تركي. Okay? أشوفكم قريب يا شباب بعد الانترو، صح؟ ماشي. Okay guys, so this is my second cup of coffee today. It's a place in Egypt. I think it's the only place in the world where you find this Espresso Lab. I'm not sure, I will check it out. But I think it's the only place in the world where you have this Espresso Lab. I have to check it because I'm not sure. Just a moment. No, it's not. It's not the only place. It's actually a chain from Turkey. So it's maybe the biggest coffee chain in Turkey. So it's a very famous place in Turkey, I guess, and now it's also coming to Egypt. So I think they have like 3 cafeterias like this in Egypt. One in Maadi, one in here in Point 90 where I am now, and also they have one in 6th of October, I think. This cup is made in a way called, it's made with an Aeropress. The first Aeropress was made in 2005, so it's kind of new. The last years it has become more and more popular. So now in Norway this is becoming very popular. I guess it's also becoming more normal here in Egypt, but at least you find it here in Espresso Lab at Point 90. Okay, so the differences between an Aeropress and a French press is that in the Aeropress it's more plastic and it's a paper filter. Also the brewing time is shorter in Aeropress. It's like here they said 1.5 minutes exactly, and they use a timer. Also I have heard like 1 minute or 45 seconds, but in a French press it's normally like 3 or 4 minutes minimum. So it's faster to make with Aeropress. Also, I bought this one, double chocolate cookie. It's huge and it looks nice. Wow, lucky me. Amazing. Ta-da! Hello again, guys. Look what I found on my way back home. Like a Turkish coffee set for making Turkish coffee. I think this will be very interesting to see if I can make this coffee. I think so. I don't think it's so difficult. So I got this from, I guess you Egyptian people know where Khan el Khalil is. It's a big marketplace where they have a lot of things. So I found this. I think it's nice and I hope it works for making the coffee. This is the one I'm going to make the coffee in. So I will have it like this. This is also very nice. It's like this. It's very nice if you have some candy or sweets like Turkish delights. It's nice to serve it inside this one. And I got these glasses. Wow, very nice. So this is like the thing you need for boiling. You can also just have this on your normal oven. If you have like an electronic or a gas oven, you can put it up on this. Yeah, so this one. Okay, so I will use this one for boiling the coffee, and with this one on the top like this. And I also got a bottle of, I forgot the name. It looks very interesting. Let me check. Ooh. Wow, that's not for drinking. Okay, so before starting to make the coffee, I just want to try out this, because actually I'm a little bit scared of these fire things when I put alcohol or 90%, I don't know. And I will put it inside here and I will set fire on it. And that's a little bit scary, because if something goes wrong, can be like an explosion or I don't know. So I think this is like, you can see it's like 2 small cups, and I think that's for like turning off the fire again. So I will do like this, or maybe like this. Okay guys, so are you ready to do this? In case of emergency, I have this here, and I will try to get this alcohol inside here. I just have to open first. There we go. Oh, the smell is terrible. But that's not easy. It's impossible. Ay caramba. Look. Okay, so this is a lot. Now you can see the bottle is just half full. I'll take a little bit. Oh man. I like to clean it again, so I'm not setting fire on anything. Okay, so let's see if this is working now. Very good. Oh man. There we go. Wow, that's a little bit scary. All right, so this is what you need. You need this, some water, some sugar, and the coffee. And I got the coffee from Starbucks today. It should be a nice coffee. It's an Ethiopian coffee, First of all, I just want to say that this is my first time I make Turkish coffee. I have been watching some tutorials online, so hopefully I can do this. So first I add 1 spoon with the coffee, like this. And then I want 1 teaspoon with sugar. That's up to you. You can use 1 or 2 or 3, depending on how much sugar you want. 1 teaspoon with sugar. Then you can do like this, just mix it a little bit. Then you have to add the water. A good way to do it is just to put the water here in the cup, so you know exactly how much water you need, because this is only for 1 person. And then you pour the water into this pot or whatever it's called, and you mix it together a little bit. Put it on the heat, and voila. Don't turn the heat on too much, because that's a little bit scary, and also you can destroy the coffee actually. And then just wait, and we will see what happens. Just a moment, I will check the tutorial.
We actually let it cook slowly to produce a small cream on top of it.
Cream? You have to pour out the cream, and then you continue boiling afterwards.
Cream in the cup.
Okay. Okay, okay, there we go. And you're not supposed to do this. That's not a part of the recipe. But when you have some cream, put some of the cream like this. Why is this so difficult? I don't understand. Yeah. Some of the cream over in the cup. Back here again. Oh man. Sorry about that. So sorry. And when it starts boiling, be careful. And then you can pour everything over in the cup. Caramba. Everything in the cup. Like this. Perfect. And you can just do like this, I think. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so when you have the coffee in the cup, you have to wait a little bit. If not, it will not be good, because the coffee powder is still inside the water. You have to wait until the coffee powder gets until the bottom of the cup. That can take like 1 or 2 minutes, I'm not sure. And remember to serve it with some nice sweets or something. Like Turkish delights is maybe the most or the best thing to serve it with, because that's also from Turkey. But as I'm from Norway, the only thing I have is Norwegian chocolate. So you can take some Norwegian chocolate. It's very delicious, and you can serve it inside here. Norwegian chocolate like this. And then you can surprise your guests like, oh, do you want some chocolate? There you go, at Faddal. So the coffee is very strong, so it's nice to have some water. Like this. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And now I think it's time to try the coffee. I don't think it's perfect, because yeah, as you have seen, I'm not the expert in making the Turkish coffee, but I think the color is right, but now it's time to see if the taste is right. Yeah, it's exactly like Turkish coffee. I have to tell you, honestly, Turkish coffee is not my favorite, but without lying, I think this is the best one I have tried ever. Yeah, really. بصراحة آخر أكتر كويس أقوى. I don't know how to say it. It's the best Turkish coffee I have tried in Egypt, really. And I have made it all by myself. It's the first time I tried to make Turkish coffee, and it's the best coffee I have tried in Egypt. I mean, the best Turkish coffee. Look. Delicious. Delicious. حلوة جدا. Okay, so guys, this was actually my first time trying to make some Turkish coffee, and I think I did it pretty well. I guess you guys have some comments and feedback on the way I made it, because I'm not Arab. I don't know exactly how to do it. So please, if you have some comments, feedback, things I can improve the next time, please write a comment, and I will be very happy. مبسوط جدا. I'm always happy to hear from you guys, so please leave a comment if you have some questions, feedback, anything. Okay guys, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for all your support on my channel. And if you have a question, leave a comment. Don't forget it, leave a comment, and I will try to answer so much as possible. Okay? See you later guys. Ma salama. Goodbye.